Are you intrigued by the potential of cryptocurrencies and want to dive into the world of crypto trading? With the right knowledge and strategies, you can make informed investment decisions and potentially earn significant returns. In this video, we will provide you with 10 valuable tips to help you navigate the crypto market and increase your chances of making millions. So, let's get started. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Understand the basics of cryptocurrency. Before you embark on your crypto trading journey, it is essential to have a firm grasp of how cryptocurrencies function. Take the time to acquaint yourself with fundamental concepts such as blockchain technology, decentralized finance, and the various types of cryptocurrencies that exist. This knowledge will provide you with a sturdy foundation upon which to build your investment endeavors. Understanding the inner workings of cryptocurrencies will enable you to make informed decisions, navigate the market more effectively, and maximize your potential for success. So, invest time in educating yourself about these key concepts before diving into the world of crypto trading. 2. Conduct thorough research. To ensure that you make well-informed investment choices, it is crucial to conduct thorough research on the cryptocurrencies that pique your interest. Dive into the details of their underlying technology, assess the strength of their development team, analyze their market capitalization, study their historical performance, and explore their potential use cases. By delving into these aspects and gaining in-depth knowledge, you will be better equipped to identify promising projects with strong prospects for growth while also discerning potentially risky investments. This research-driven approach will significantly enhance your ability to navigate the crypto market and make sound investment decisions. 3. Set clear investment goals. It is essential to establish clear investment goals for yourself. Determine whether you are seeking short-term gains or long-term growth in your crypto trading endeavors. Additionally, assess your risk tolerance level. By defining these goals and understanding your risk appetite, you can align your investment strategy accordingly. It's crucial to remember that crypto trading is highly volatile, and having a well-defined plan will assist you in staying focused and making rational decisions even during turbulent market conditions. A clear roadmap and goal-oriented approach will enhance your ability to navigate the crypto market and achieve your desired investment outcomes. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is considered one of the fundamental principles of investing. To minimize risk, it is advisable to spread your investments across various cryptocurrencies. By doing so, potential losses in one asset can be offset by gains in others, creating a balance within your portfolio. It is prudent to consider investing in both well-established cryptocurrencies and promising up-and-coming projects. This approach allows you to tap into the stability of established assets while also capitalizing on the growth potential of emerging ones. By diversifying your portfolio, you can mitigate the impact of market volatility and enhance your chances of achieving long-term success in the crypto market. 5. Stay informed about market trends. To stay ahead in the crypto market, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest news and trends. Follow reputable sources, such as trusted cryptocurrency publications and industry experts, to stay updated on market developments. Engage in online communities and forums where crypto enthusiasts and investors discuss market trends and share insights. Participating in discussions and exchanging ideas with fellow investors can provide valuable perspectives and help you make more informed trading decisions. By being aware of market trends, sentiment, and emerging opportunities, you can position yourself strategically and adapt your trading strategies accordingly. Stay informed to stay ahead in the dynamic world of crypto trading. 6. Practice risk management. Risk management is crucial when it comes to crypto trading. It's important to set stop-loss orders, which automatically sell a cryptocurrency if its price reaches a predetermined level, limiting potential losses. Additionally, define your risk-reward ratio for each trade, assessing the potential gain against the potential loss. It's vital to avoid investing more than you can afford to lose, as crypto trading involves volatility and uncertainty. Emotional trading should also be avoided, as it can lead to impulsive and irrational decisions. By practicing discipline and effective risk management, you increase your chances of long-term success in the crypto market. 7. Choose reliable exchanges and wallets. When engaging in crypto trading, it is of utmost importance to choose reliable cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets to ensure the safety of your investments. Conduct thorough research on different platforms, paying attention to user reviews and ratings. Consider factors such as security features, transaction fees, user experience, and customer support quality. Opt for reputable exchanges that prioritize security by employing robust measures like two-factor authentication and cold storage for funds. Additionally, assess the platform's liquidity and trading volume. By selecting a reputable exchange with strong security measures, you can have peace of mind knowing that your funds are well protected in the volatile crypto market. 8. Embrace long-term thinking. It is essential to recognize that crypto trading is not a shortcut to instant wealth. Embracing a long-term investment mindset is key to success in this field. Avoid making impulsive decisions driven by short-term market fluctuations. Instead, focus on the bigger picture and the long-term potential of your investments. Many successful investors have benefited from holding onto their crypto assets for extended periods, allowing them to capitalize on significant growth. By adopting patience and a strategic approach, you increase your chances of reaping substantial rewards in the volatile crypto market. Remember, steady and informed decision-making is the path to long-term success in crypto trading. 9. Learn from your experiences. In the world of investments, it is crucial to recognize that both successes and failures are part of the journey. Learn from these experiences and use them to your advantage. Analyze your trades, identify patterns, and continually refine your strategies based on the insights gained. As an investor, it is vital to adapt and grow continuously. By doing so, you will be better equipped to make informed decisions, mitigate risks, and increase your chances of achieving substantial profits. Remember, the ability to learn from both triumphs and setbacks is a valuable asset that can propel you towards long-term success in the ever-evolving landscape of investment. 10. Use a reputable exchange. When venturing into cryptocurrency investment, it is vital to select a reputable exchange. Given the prevalence of scams in the market, conducting thorough research and choosing a trusted exchange becomes paramount. Take the time to scrutinize the exchange's track record, security measures, user feedback, and regulatory compliance. By ensuring that you are using a reputable exchange, you can minimize the risk of falling victim to fraudulent schemes and have confidence in the security and integrity of your cryptocurrency investments. Investing in cryptocurrencies offers immense potential for wealth creation, but it's not without risks. By following these 10 tips, you can navigate the crypto market with greater confidence and increase your chances of making millions. Remember to educate yourself, stay informed, manage risks effectively, and embrace a long-term investment approach. With patience, persistence, and continuous learning, you can unlock the full potential of crypto trading. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.